Hi everybody, welcome to our Tropical Paradise Dream Garden video where we're going to be talking about what, Amy?
We're going to talk about how you can turn your yard into a tropical oasis.
With big lush palms like the one we have behind you if you have the room.
And beautiful flowers.
Flowers, we're going to talk
Ferns.
about ferns, we're going to talk about bromeliads and crotons and gingers, button gingers, shell gingers, a whole bunch of plants that you can enjoy in your South Florida garden. So, are you all ready to dig in?
Sure am.
Let's grow! Let's kick it off with this beautiful pool, patio, and garden space. I'm going to be providing limited commentary so you can sit back and relax and enjoy all these ideas to help you in designing your garden space. I'll provide some call outs for the plants and patio spaces and other features of the tropical garden to help highlight them for you. And then I'll jump in here and there just to point out a few things. Enjoy! I really love this pool shape. It's very bold and it's also raised next to the grass. So that gives you an easy maintainable edge and it keeps the lawn crew from kicking out the leaf cuttings into the pool. And I like a wide lip like that, and it ends up being a little seat next to the pool. And basically this is a 2-for-1. It forms a pool bench right next to the pool itself. And look at this. I snuck in a 2-story baby sunrose green wall for you. One thing I love when designing for a tropical garden is that there's so many plants available and you can get very immersive. You can wrap yourself around in a space like this with all these tropical plants, and it becomes a really inviting space. We hope you're enjoying the video so far, but if you have any thoughts or questions, just leave them down in the comments section below. Thanks. And what would a tropical garden paradise be without a hammock? And I can just bet that my best friend Andrea would love this space. She loves hammocks. Now I'd like to give you a few more pointers to help you create a framework for designing your own tropical paradise. Once you have the inspiration you need to start planning, and you need to find out what will work in your yard. It's very important. We've done some videos to that effect, so you can check on our channel for that. One major thing to take away is to have the right plant in the right location. Some plants want to be in sun, some plants want to be in shade, and for some it doesn't matter. So it's good to know that, and also know scale, heights, widths of plants, and how big they grow so you don't crowd out your space. A tropical garden can quickly get out of control if you don't do your due diligence and know the sizes that these plants will get to. Another thing to consider when you're designing your tropical paradise is to provide maintenance paths. And maintenance paths can also be the walkway through your garden space, and that way you get a 2-for-1, but you need to be able to get inside your garden space to maintain those plants.
Thanks for joining us, and we hope this video gave you some ideas for your tropical garden.
Yeah, please submit some pictures and videos of what you've done, and we'd love to see them and showcase them in the future. And you can send them to our email. What's our email, Steph?
Our email is letsgroweco@gmail.com.
Yes, it is. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And tell your friends and family. We post videos weekly. Thanks.